volcano, and the materials are 2 disposable containers, the volcano powder, 2 stirring sticks, eruption powder A and B, and 1 cup of water. To put the mold together, we had a bunch of plastic parts, and they all clipped together, and then we put it in a base and put a rubber band around the edge. Now that the plaster is dry, I have to cut the rubber bands and take it out of the mold. Now it has to sit for 1 to 2 days until I can paint it. It's been 1 day since we took this out of the mold, and now I'm just going to sand down all the lines that the mold left. Okay. I sanded them down. I have to paint the volcano. I'll see you when I finish painting the whole volcano. So now that I have all the gray done, I'm gonna paint on the lava strokes and put glitter on. So now that I've finished the lava strokes, I'm putting glitter on them to make them look better. So I finished painting the volcano, and now to make it erupt, we need some water, Tupperware, soap, citric acid, and sodium bicarbonate. And mix these together. And this one's a citric acid. Now I put a tablespoon of this in the volcano. Now I add a couple drops of dish soap. Now the bubbling lava is a result of a chemical reaction between citric acid and sodium bicarbonate in the eruption powder. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is created, which builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out of the top of the volcano. This is a good representation of what happens inside real volcanoes when they erupt.